At 16 years old, I changed who I was as a person. Some people would call it brainwashing myself. Some people would call it hypnotizing myself. Whatever you want to call it, I completely changed myself as a person at 16 because I was headed absolutely nowhere. If you were to look at me when I was 16, even if you knew me, you would have thought that I would have never ended up where I'm at today. Right now, I'm 21 years old. My business did over 6 figures last month, and I can remember there's one specific day that drastically changed my life. If you were to think of it in terms of a movie, it's like I almost jumped timelines. Like I was in one timeline where I was supposed to end up here, but I literally jumped timelines and I actually ended up here where I wasn't headed. And it's because I made a single drastic change. Now, there's an exercise that I'm gonna give you to help you guys get into this state of mind to actually, quote unquote, jump timelines or change your identity to change the reality that you're headed into. But first, you need to understand something very important, and this is the reason why it works. You can change your reality any second that you want. It doesn't matter if that's tonight or tomorrow, whenever you're eating dinner and you're in the middle of taking a bite of your food. It could be in the middle of you taking a shower in the morning. I mean, it could quite literally be while you're taking a shit on the toilet next week that you decide to change your life, and that could be the moment that your life completely changes. Because how this works is your reality is a reflection of every single action that you've taken. Whether it's the amount of money that you want to make, the relationships you want to have, quite literally anything is just a reflection of your past actions. Now, the problem is, it's hard to change your actions. This is why people who want to get into shape don't go to the gym every day and they stay fat, because they can't change their actions because they can't change their thoughts. So, how do you actually change your thoughts permanently? This is by changing your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind makes up the majority of your brain, and this dictates the actions that you actually do and the thoughts that you think. So there's a few different ways to change your subconscious mind, but the most powerful way is gonna simply be changing your thought patterns. Now, how do you do this? I'm gonna give you guys an exercise that worked for me, but it only works if you truly believe. I remember this day vividly. I was fed up with my situation. I quite literally didn't want to be alive anymore. I didn't like my reality. So I decided that I needed to change drastically, because even with all the self-help material that I was consuming, it wasn't enough to make a drastic change. And I decided that day that it was enough and I was going to make a change and that my reality was going to change. So I sat there and I grabbed 2 pieces of paper and 2 glasses. On one piece of paper, I wrote down my present reality. I wrote down where I was at, what I was unhappy with, and an objective perspective of my current life. I wrote it down on a piece of paper and I stuck a glass of water on top of this piece of paper on my desk. I sat there with intention, just thinking about the water being my present situation. And I had another piece of paper on my desk that described my dream reality: traveling the world, making the money that I want to make, being respected, being in shape. Everything that I wanted, I wrote down on this other piece of paper on my desk, and I put an empty glass on top of it. And I remember intentionally thinking that when I pour this water over into this glass, I'm literally shifting my current reality, putting my current reality in this water, and I'm pouring it into this new reality. Now, I know it may sound stupid, may sound silly almost, but it's not a matter of the actual exercise, it's a matter of the intention behind it. I remember vividly imagining that as soon as I drink this water, my life is gonna change and I'm gonna shift timelines. I literally believe this with every bone in my body. I sat there with pure intention and I drank that water. And I remember really vividly imagining as if that water is flowing into my body. All that energy and all the positivity behind my goals is filling up my entire body. And I decided that I'm gonna go to sleep as soon as I drink this, and when I wake up, I'm gonna be in my new reality. After that day, when I woke up from that nap, it felt like I shifted realities. I was a new person, but I made sure every day to stay true to those standards and stay true to that person that I became. And ever since that day, my reality has completely changed. So it's not a matter of the water being magical, it's a matter of intention. And if you can take one thing from this video, just know that if you decide that you want to change, that's the moment that your life will change. But it's not just wishing that you want to change, it's truly being intentional and actually making that change.